Man, Big Jim Begins by Dave Pilkey. Last time on Dog Man. Dog Man, I'm so nervous. My nipples are as hard as diamonds. See? I'm getting married. By the power invested in me. And with the grace of Jesus Christ and Buddha and Santa Claus. And with all these dumb witnesses, we now pronounce you husband and chief. I can't wait to tell Dogman. Hi, Dogman. And now they're going to kiss. I will fetch my barf bag. Mwah! Hey, check it out. I'm bald. Bye. I'm going to be a pest for 200 pages. Where's the dog? Oh my God, it smells like my grandma's house. We're a team now. Why the heck does Dogman stink of a skunk's butthole? Why does your nose look like garlic? It's my hand, you anus drip. Why is your friend such a wiener? How do you bend over like that? Trump is president. Time to riot. Why does Dogman look like he bathed in the blood of his enemies? Because he was smeared with skunk poop. I'm stealing you. You let him go or I'm gonna uppercut you in your third chin. Good luck getting past the fourth chin. Shame on you, you big red stinky hybrid. I'll point at you for being a jerk. I'll point back at you for being lame. You're going to jail, you well-dressed hot dog. Let me introduce myself. Nobody cares. I care, because scissors beats paper. Oh my God, I think he just killed a guy. It's a robot. All right, Musk. You're gonna be evil again, or I'll sock you. I never wear clothes, especially socks. But Papa, your feet are stinky. Check out the lemonade. The only aid you need is a teacher's aid. Holy colonoscopy. That robot's strong. Dogman, we saved you. His ears smell so nice. Stand aside. I've got this. Are you a boy or a girl? Boy, let's be best friends. Careful, I've got a gun. I'll shoot you. Just kidding, it's my fingers. I have a gun! Me too. Just kidding, it was fingers. Me too. I have a gun. I accidentally shot myself. Oh man, my farts sound like laughter. Are you gonna make this exciting and be evil again? Oh, I never thought of that. Good morning. Oh man, another flashback. Isn't everyone getting tired of my backstory? Papa, did you have a bad dream? You were farting and headbanging uncontrollably. I don't do that! Oh, good, more of my backstory. Well, at least it's not socks. Hello, I'd like to order a faster intro, please. You're evil, and your house is a car, and you're gonna set AI upon everybody. I know, cool, right? Hello! Would you like to do the interview? No! Yeah, me neither. So AI is taking over. I guess I will soon be out of a job. I believe we just witnessed a man jump from a building and off himself. What is this, the back rooms? Bzz. Holy thunder farts. I just realized this story is lame. Benny! Yeah? Go to one of your backstories. Again? Stop depending on me! Shaboom! Dude, we're like so cool! We're gonna beat this guy! We lost. Alright, last flashback.
Hi.
How did you get in here?
I smelled something edible, like this chair. Or you.
Where are your parents?
Oh, they dead.
Okay, that's enough. I'm gonna go save the book. You can't while I have this. All right, then. Take this, nose. Yes. Finally, I'm a turn-off. Oh, you're dead, son. I hate this book. And once again, the day is saved thanks to, Hello! Hooray! How was your honeymoon? I can't wait to tell you everything. Please don't. Are we done? Can we go? Yeah. Promise me in the next book there's no flashbacks. Only if it's about Dogman. All right, I'm gonna strangle you now. Wait, what? Chapter 1. Wakey, wakey in the dawning. As the sun rises and shines her glory on hearts both open and closed, our tale begins.
Oh, wakey, wakey, eggs and bakey, tea with toast and jam. I love sunbeams, I love daydreams, I love beans and ham. Oh, wakey, wakey, frosted flaky, floating in my bowl. I love raindrops, I love treetops, I love donut holes.
Would you cut that out? What is wrong with you? It's 6 o'clock in the morning.
Now, don't be a grumpy grandpa. Let's not forget, the early bird gets the hugs.
Let go of me and keep your sweaty paws to yourself.
Sorry, Grandpa.
I don't know why you're so happy. We're stuck here in this jail. We've got no freedom,
I feel free.
no friends,
I have lots of friends.
and no autonomy.
I have an auto-tummy.
Oh, what's the use? You'll never see things clearly.
I guess you're right, Grandpa. I need my glasses. Wow. I haven't worn these in a long time. They sure do bring back memories.
Now, wait a minute. You're not going to tell one of your ridiculous stories, are you?
Of course not, Grandpa. I'd never do that. I'm gonna tell an awesome story. Once upon a time.
No! Chapter 2, The Chosen One.
A long time ago, in a neighborhood far, far away, there lived a super cute baby named Little Jim. Psst, he was me.
Yeah, I figured.
Anyway, I lived with a mama, whose name was Mama. I also had a daddy.
Let me guess. His name was Daddy?
Oh, how did you know?
Would you get on with it?
Well, we all lived together in a tiny bungalow, and our lives were pretty quiet and ordinary. Then one night, everything changed.
Well, what happened?
A beam of light pierced the sky and shined upon us, filling our home with a strange radiance. Daddy went out to investigate, and then he looked up and saw a UFO.
No.
Daddy told the UFO to go away,
Now see here.
and soon it did. But then, clunk,
Oh. Hey! We just got a message from a UFO. It says that our child will fulfill super ancient prophecies and save the universe.
they searched and searched, but they never found the ring.
Ain't that too bad? Well, I saw a UFO once too, and my story is way better than yours.
It is?
Yeah.
Let me see that. Sup, your child is like the chosen one, dude. This ring will totally help your child fulfill super ancient prophecies and save the universe and junk. Peace out, brah. But where is the ring? Gee whiz, I don't know. And so, Chapter 3, Grandpa's UFO story that's way better than the one from Chapter 2.
A few years ago, when I was a groovy disco king, I stepped out one fateful night. Then suddenly, a beam of light pierced the sky, and a UFO appeared. It landed. And then a door opened.
Sup, Earth, dude? On this epic mission, looking for a cutie pie. Who's gonna save the universe, brah? What are you talking about? This little girl, man. She's the chosen one. And I've been cruising the cosmos, trying to find her. She's gonna need help on her tubular quest. So I got her this ring. It's called the Ring of Destiny and stuff. Gee, that's a swell ring. Say, I know where that kid lives. Why don't you give the ring to me and I'll give it to her? Really, dude? Whoa, that's totally righteous, buddy. Yeah, whatever. Oh, and give her this note, too. And tell her, may the cosmic vibes be with you, little sis. Yeah, I'll do that. Okay, man, I'm gonna split. Later, Gator. What? Oh.
But I had other plans for that ring.
What other plans?
Well, I don't want to talk about it.
Huh?
Chapter 4. The quest for the return of the Ring of Destiny and stuff.
I'm a little teapot, short and stout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. When the pie was open, the birds began to sing. So tip me over and pour me out. Amen.
Ha ha! Wait a minute. I tried this once before. And I won't be fooled again. Ha ha! All done. Now nothing can go wrong. No, sir. You can't fool me twice because I've got mind powers. Mind powers, I tell ya. Well, here goes nothing. Boop.
Grandpa, are you okay?
Why, Big Jim? Why?
Grandpa, I'm not Big Jim right now. I'm Commander Cupcake.
Yeah? Well, big whoop-de-doo! I gotta get out of here, man. I gotta get that ring back.
But you can't leave, Grandpa, for it is written, only the pure of heart may use the cupcake exit.
I got a pure heart, pure as a flippin' snowflake.
Grandpa, I want to believe you, but ye must prove thyself.
How?
Well, I made this costume for you. Put it on, and together we shall fight for liberty and cupcakes, and I shall call thee Sprinkles.
I will never wear that preposterous costume!
Chapter 5. Commander Cupcake and Sprinkles.
I can't believe you talked me into this. How humiliating. I look ridiculous.
Ridiculously awesome.
Can I get some weapons at least? Like knife claws?
That's a swell idea, Sprinkles. Now hold these between your fingers.
Huh? Hey, these are crayons!
You have to use your imagination, for we are the music makers, and we are the dreamers of dreams. Amen.
Just open the door, you weirdo!
Okay.
No, wait! Move over here. Okay. Perfect. Now I'll hide where it's safe. Okay. Press that button. Beep.
Well, Sprinkles, Sprinkles. There you are. Silly Sprinkles. Come on, buddy. It's time to save the world.
Wait a minute! Let go of my tail! I only agreed to wear this silly costume so I could get out of jail! Now I'm done with costumes, done with superheroes, and done with you!
Oh, Dog Man.
Huh?
Guess what, Dog Man? Grandpa just escaped from Catch-Al, and he's being mean.
Now hold on. I can explain! Now wait just a doggone minute! I'm not Grandpa. I'm a good guy. Here, let me show you. See? I told you. I'm a hero! I'm Sparkles!
Sprinkles.
That's what I said! Now scram!
It's okay, Dog Man. I can handle it from here.
I didn't know you were friends with Dog Man.
Oh, yes. We go way back. I'll tell you the story. Once upon a time...
No!
Chapter 6. The Junior Detective Club.
Previously, on Big Jim's flashback, Mama and Daddy were looking for the ring. They searched all over, but it was never found. So I decided to find the ring myself.
How could you do that? You were just a baby.
Don't forget, Sprinkles, I'm the chosen one.
You are not the chosen one.
I am too.
Are not?
Am too.
You are
Told
not.
ya. So anyway, I set out to find the ring, but I knew I'd need help. So I hired professionals.
Don't worry, little kid. We'll help you find that ring.
So we got into a helicopter and looked for clues.
Wait a minute. How did you get a helicopter?
We used our imaginations. So anyway, we flew all over town, searching for clues and questioning suspects.
Where were you on the night of... which night was it? On the night he can't remember.
I don't remember.
But then,
What is it, Greg? He picked up a scent. Let's go, fellas. Oh boy, this is gonna be great.
Uh-oh.
Greg, these aren't the rings we were looking for. You shouldn't eat things that don't belong to you.
Yeah.
Hey, what's the big idea? Who's gonna pay for this? Run! Come back here. Well. You're going to baby jail.
and so began my journey toward enlightenment.
Wait a minute. You don't even know what enlightenment means. Are you just making up this story?
Maybe.
Chapter 7. Meanwhile, in outer space.
Captain's log. Yes, Captain Carlos? How close are we to Earth? About 3 Caecilian gloopsnocks. And what about the chosen one? Has he found it? Has he found the ring of destiny and stuff? No, my captain. There was a big mix-up. And how do you know this? I read the first 3 chapters of this book, Captain. Excellent! Now nobody can stop us! The space cuties from space shall crush the earth!
Chapter 8. 3 Caecilian gloopsnocks later.
So, anyway, I got arrested, and I was tried by a jury of my peers. Soon, the verdict came in.
Baba.
That means guilty in baby talk. So then, the judge said, goo goo, googie gaba, which means,
Would you get to the point?
sorry, Sprinkles. And so, baby jail was a rough place. But I soon found friends.
Hey, you leave that kid alone!
Tiny Tippy, Baby Fluffy, and Widow Whiskers became my best buddies.
Respect.
And soon, I didn't feel so scared.
Little Jim, you've got visitors.
It's going to be okay, little Jim. Just remember, when something bad happens, all you need to do is ask yourself one question. How can I turn this bad thing into something good?
Suddenly, I could see clearly.
Ooh.
I knew my purpose. No matter how dark things got, it was my job to find the light.
Let's go home, little Jim. Say goodbye to your friends.
Bye-bye.
I knew it! That whole story was fake!
It's not fake, Sprinkles. It's imagination.
But then,
What was that?
Let's take a look with my super binoculars.
Huh?
Oh,
Those aren't binoculars. They're just 2 cardboard toilet paper tubes. You just tape them together. All I see is a big circus tent.
that's no circus tent. Come, Sprinkles.
How do we get down from here?
That's easy. We just tie our capes together and jump.
Wow, we survived without a scratch. I don't believe it.
Ow!
Let's go, Sprinkles, for the night is young, and my cupcake sense is tingling.
There's no such thing as cupcake sense!
Chapter 9, Hero Party!
Kaboom!
Shh.
Ah, great. It's raining.
Oh, great. It's raining.
I don't know what you're so happy about. We're wet, we're cold, and you don't even seem to care that we've been stuck in jail for years.
Sprinkles, jails aren't only made of concrete and steel. They're in our minds, too. Look around you. We're all in jails of some kind, imprisoned by the stories we tell ourselves. I'm not good enough. I'm not smart. I've made too many mistakes. But Sprinkles, freedom is in our minds, too.
Yeah, well, that's easy for you to say. You've never suffered.
When I was little and scary things would happen, my mother would say to me, look for the helpers. You will always find people who are helping. And so, I have always...
Hey, mister, are you Commander Cupcake?
Yes,
My brother has a poster of you in his room.
he does.
Yeah, I don't know who you are, though.
I'm a big shot too. I'm way cooler than that guy.
You should shave.
You should mind your own beeswax.
What are you kids doing up so late?
We're going to a hero party. Every hero in town is invited. You guys should come too. They're giving away free cake.
Free cake? Let's go.
Not so fast, Sprinkles. Free cupcakes.
No, I think it's just normal-sized cake.
Sorry, kids, but we only eat cupcakes. Besides, all of the heroes in town are going in there, so we must stay behind and be the helpers.
Chapter 10, Free Cake.
Oh, man. We could be eating free cake right now.
We mustn't do that, Sprinkles, for it is written, thou shalt not eat normal-sized cakes. Only cup-sized cakes shall thou eatest. Amen.
That's not written anywhere. I hate being a superhero. I quit.
Oh, dog man. Dog man!
Huh?
I wonder what he's doing.
I'll tell you what he's doing. He's filling up his cake hole with free cake!
Come, Sprinkles. We must investigate.
Oh, man.
Huh?
Huh?
Shush. Huh? Oh!
Huh?
They're all asleep.
No, wait. Dogman's awake.
What happened, old buddy?
I can't understand what you're saying!
Sprinkles, we mustn't talk to others like that. We must always act with kindness, like this. Dog man, can you think about what happened? Can you use your imagination like a good doggy?
Walk to party. See friends. Happy love love. See chief. Happy love love. Bad doggy. Sad sad sad. But cake? Cake love love. Cake cake cake. Cake eat cake now. Can eat cake now. No. Bad. Chocolate bad for dogs. Chief eat cake sad. Nom nom. Chief goes sleepy times. Sleep. friends sleep too. Me sleep. But then, kitties.
Well, that was a big waste of time. It made no sense at all.
Of course it did. And we've got no time to lose. For whoever threw this party spiked the cake with sleeping potion. Now we are the only heroes left to save the planet.
Chapter 11. A bunch of stuff that happened next.
Dr. Dimples. Yes, cats and cuddles. Are all the heroes in town asleep? Yes, my captain. Good. Now nobody can stop our evil. Hey. Why are those guys still awake? I guess they didn't eat our sleepy cake, sir. I see. So they're too smart for us. Let's find out. My scanner says they're not a threat. They don't even have superpowers. They're not heroes at all. Let us begin our attack at once. Okay.
Where's he going? And how can a robot eat cake and fall asleep? Wow. We really need to get cooler costumes.
Meanwhile,
Well, Captain, we're ready to conquer the planet. Excellent. Nobody can save the world now.
but at that very moment, the world's salvation was already in progress. Chapter 12. The world's cutest invasion. We interrupt this new series with breaking news. A UFO has been sighted hovering over the city, zapping everything in sight. Bzzz. And check this out. When something gets zapped, it changes from normal bzzz, to super cute. Aww. Gee, I wonder if that zapper works on people. Aw, man. Hey, Sarah, the studio just called. Your approval ratings are through the roof. This looks like a job for the new improved Super Buddies. Huh? The friendly friends.
Whoa!
Where is everybody? Beats me. But then... Chapter 13. Attack of the Space Cuties from Space.
Hey, look. There's a small thermal exhaust port. We can get in through there.
How original.
Ow!
Whoosh.
Intruder alert! Everyone grab a silly sword! Defend this ship at all costs!
Silly swords? Oh, I'm so scared. Ow! Those swords aren't silly at all!
Fear not, Sprinkles. I'll save you with my patented frosting shooter.
You've had frosting in your gloves this whole time?
Yes, for it is written, with great power comes great frosting.
Bang!
In your gloves. Amen.
That doesn't make any sense! We can't fight off a whole army of space weirdos. There's only 2 of us.
Don't forget Dogman.
He's not helping. All he's doing is licking frosting off the walls. Some superhero you are. Let's face it, we're doomed.
Oh, remember, Sprinkles, we must be positive.
Okay, we're positively doomed.
You can say that again.
Beep. Chapter 14. Space Jail.
You know, I told you. I told you guys that.
What's wrong, Sprinkles?
What's wrong? Look where we are! After all of this, we're right back in jail! So, Mr. Positive, how are you gonna turn this into something good?
New beginnings are often disguised as painful endings. Yet, in these dark places, when we think that maybe we have been buried, actually, we have been planted.
We didn't have any extra rooms, so I made a special place in my office. It has a warm bed, a blanket, some paper to draw on, and if you need anything, I'll be right over there. Do you have any questions?
Are you a helper?
Yes, anyone can be a helper.
They can.
Certainly, even you.
And so, on that day, I became
thank you,
a helper
Squishy.
too.
I can't see.
Because sometimes the thing we need the most is the thing we must give. Gentlemen, I know just what to do.
Chapter 15. Free hugs.
Oh, Mr. Space Person,
What?
I got a gift for you.
Really? What is it?
It's the most valuable thing in the universe.
Yeah, right. He's lying. I'll find out. Hey, he's telling the truth. Gimme. Well, what are you gonna give me?
A hug.
A hug? A hug is a little squish of love.
See, isn't this nice? Huh? Oh no, he's dead.
He's not dead. He's a robot. You just broke him.
They're allergic to hugs. Allergic to hugs.
Allergic to hugs, eh? Swoosh.
Clonk.
Where are you going, Sprinkles?
To Hug Town.
Chapter 16. Night of the Loving Hugs.
Guess what time it is? It's Huggy Rama time!
Calling Planet Precious. We're under attack. Send more spaceships. Avenge us.
I've never felt so alive! Well, that's everybody. Hey, losers! I just nuked the aliens. Even that little log-shaped guy who was flying the spaceship. Huh? Uh-oh! Ha-ha! I did it! I saved the world! Finally, I understand the true meaning of kindness.
You just killed everybody. That's not how kindness works.
They were just robots. Give me a break. Now we just have to wake up these goofballs. But how?
I've got an idea.
Don't you dare! I'm warning you!
Chapter 17, Wakey Wakey, reprise.
Wakey, wakey, chocolate shaky, sipping with a straw. I love French fries, I love moon pies, I love cabbage slaw. Oh, wakey, wakey, cuppy cakey, flavorful and fun. I love sun rays, I love Mondays, I love everyone.
Hey, wait a minute! I'm the one who saved the world!
Yeah, right.
And look! This robot dude is still asleep!
He's not sleeping. His solar battery ran out of juice. If we roll him out in the sun, he'll be good as new. See?
Well, let's go home, Sprinkles. Our work here is done.
No, it isn't! The buildings look like cartoons! We never found the Ring of Destiny and stuff! And what about them?
Oh.
This story has more loose ends than a spaghetti dinner!
Sprinkles, that could only mean one thing.
What?
We're gonna have a sequel.
No!
What new horrors will arise? What old memories will resurface? Get ready to collect your comrades
Assemble for action.
and level up with laughs. Because an all-new adventure is coming. Dogman Big Jim believes.
It's a brand new series.
With the same old characters.
The end. You gotta be kidding me. What new series is coming? You don't say. Dogman is copyrighted by Dave Pilkey, and it's published by Graphics, an imprint of Scholastic Inc. That was so much fun. If you enjoyed, make sure you leave a like and leave a comment down below. And be sure to subscribe. We've got more adventures and more books coming soon. So in the meantime, love you, bye.